Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.